Hey everyone, it is Little Fella. Today I will be playing Zombie Office again. So my friend told me that you're actually supposed to try to kill the zombie. So that is what I'm going to do. Just waiting. Okay, so throw the hammer at him. I know, practice. Look at his fish tank. There's a dead fish in it. Don't look at me, please. You have a weird face. That's a pumpkin at you. Okay, I'm gonna try to get to my score 6. And then, these are really good. I'm gonna try to get my score up to at least 6. But if, anyway, I'm gonna try to get my score up to at least 6, and then I'm probably gonna end the video. Some of you guys are asking when I'm gonna start my Minecraft series, which I will probably do starting tomorrow. So get ready. Get him. Get him. Okay, I'm really bad at this. Ugh, look at this fish tank. It might have a dead fish in it. See where it says free cat game? Look next to it. I think that's the picture of him as a human. He even looks ugly as a human. These probably worked. Ooh. Ugh, it's gotta hurt. Okay, score is 8. I'm gonna try to get up to 10, and then I'm gonna end this video. So I am Little Fella. You can look me up. Whatever. I'm Little Fella. Look me up on Google+. Bye.